We are seeing more and more vigilante in our streets, and we must ask the national government to take up its responsibility and bring this to a total halt. Members of the bar serve in various high sensitive cases, and I must say that we're also calling out the media that allow the police to complete investigations, casting aspersions onto any issue of the advocate does not negate the fact that his life was unlawfully taken. Right to life is inherent. Allow the police to carry out the investigations so that we do not crucify the advocates in the court of public opinion.